Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So Myntra sale is going on till 16th. So I wanted to show you guys a couple of kurtas and some dresses. So all of these are on sale, and also I've put some recommendations on Instagram. You'll see them on my Instagram highlights. I'll leave my handle here. So check out those as well. So whatever I've already received and I bought from my previous purchases, I'm showing you guys those. What I ordered right now, I haven't received yet. So find those links in the highlights. I'll try and leave links for others also in the description box. Before we move on to the haul, I wanted to let you guys know that I've launched Kalamkari dupattas on my website. You can get them from Priyanka Boppana official.com. You'll find a lot of beautiful cotton and Kota and Chanderi Kalamkari dupattas, and I've also launched some Banarasi dupattas. So last time you guys really liked the collection, so I hope you guys enjoyed this one as well. You can shop directly from the website, and now let's get into the haul. So first up, I have this dress. It's from this brand called Plus S. So Plus S has a lot of dresses and tops which have really good sizes. A lot of you curvy girls who are looking for like good options, this brand is really nice. So I got I think I got 3XL, and this fits like really nicely. If you're looking for a little looser and comfortable fit, you can go up one size, but this is pretty good, and it is not too transparent, but you might need to wear like shorts underneath it or something, and doesn't have too much flare, but yeah, it's pretty good. It's not too straight fit also. This one, the quality is really good, and during sale you get it for a good price. And check out other things also from Plus S. Next time I'll try and show you guys more options. This is one of the brands you should definitely check out. I have wish listed some others from this brand also. I will try and leave links for those as well. But yeah, it's a very pretty color and the fabric is really good. So one of those must tries. So we have this dress from Sassafras. I think that's how this is pronounced. Yeah, Sassafras. So this is an elastic top kind of a dress. So this one I got it in XL, and I think this brand has only up to XL or double XL. But because of the elastic, it actually fits up to like 2XL or 3XL also. This is a teal color. It's a very nice color, and it has like a very nice flare. It's a poofy kind of a dress. So if you're looking for a birthday outfit or basically something like a tulle dress for some event, then this is something that you can try. The quality is pretty decent for the price. I think during sale, I think I got this for like 700 or 800. It's originally, it says 2498, but I think it's usually around 1200. But yeah, during this sale, I think you will get it for a lesser price. This is available in yellow also. Yellow is also very pretty, and yeah, the fabric is stretchable on the top and has elastic at the back. Has a really nice flare for the tulle, for the skirt part of it, but the thing is that what I don't like is the elastic here at the bottom. It doesn't have flare, so it sort of sticks to your body, but otherwise overall it is a nice dress if you don't mind that this part of it is sort of like a bodycon. Not really bodycon, but it just doesn't have as much flare, or like even a little flare that it should have, while the dress actually has a really good flare, and it's not a separate, so you can't really separate it and wear. You have to wear it like that. So I thought the bottom layer was too fitted for me. I did not like the fit on me, but the quality of the outfit is actually nice. The sleeves are really cute. So next up we have this set. I actually got this earlier from I think Flipkart. It was in one of my earlier videos, and it was on my Instagram as well, but I thought I'll show you to you guys. But since some of you guys missed those videos, I thought I'll still show it you guys since Myntra hauls reach better. So this one is amazing. So the quality is actually pretty good. It's a very soft fabric, but it has a little bit of this gold print here, and also the silver piping. Even at the bottom it has silver piping and a little bit of Kota. So it sort of looks like party wear, so you can wear it for like mehendis or like smaller events. And it comes with these sharara pants, which is pretty amazing because usually I don't find palazzos and these sharara pants in my size. I wear I think 2XL or 3XL in pants, so these actually fit really well. So this brand, I think it's from the brand called NYPA. So check out this brand, they have good sizes. I got another floral kurta set also. That one's pretty basic everyday wear, but this one, as you can see here also, it has a little bit of Kota work and a nice flare, a very good quality. And I've worn this I think 4-5 times already and like washed it, so it's pretty good quality. Definitely must try. And it has sleeves attached, like you can attach them later. They've come along with it. Yeah, they're right here inside. So you can attach sleeves also, so you don't have to worry about that. And they have sizes up to like I think 6XL or 5XL. Very good flare, a very pretty dress. I'll try and put a picture here of me trying it on. If you are looking for something at 1,000, then definitely get this. Very good quality. Talking about bottom wear that doesn't fit. So this is one of those palazzos which is again really good. It's from this brand called Just Wow, and I got it in the size 3XL. It's a georgette, so the fabric is amazing and the fit is also pretty good. It has elastic at the back, so if you're looking for like white palazzos which can go with your party wear, then this is really good. And you can wear it with your western or Indo-western fits as well. So I usually wear it with like office wear also. If you have like tunics or like longer tops, you can even wear it with them. This is really good. The flare is good and it has a lot of colors. This brand carries a lot of colors in this particular model itself, and they have a couple of other bottom wear as well. So this is again a must get. So I think I was wearing it recently in one of my Instagram reels along with a tunic, and I think it makes for a really classy look because you can wear it for your office wear, you can wear it with your Indian wear, you can wear it with like long tops or like, you know, sort of tunics and short tops as well. It's a very versatile one, and get yourself a black and a white in this. You will not regret it. The quality is amazing. I got this a very long time back, I think a couple of years back. You can see pictures of pictures of me wearing this even like 4 years back I think. The quality is that good. I've worn it a lot of times since then, so this is again a must get. So yeah, grab this. Next we have kurtas from Indian Virasat. This is a brand again which you definitely must try. So this is a baby pink kurta. It has a really good flare. This is like cotton, but again it is party wear. You can wear it for smaller events. It has gota work all over here, and here it has a tie-up knot, and it has these tassels again which have gota work. Sleeves are like long sleeves, plain, and even at the bottom it has a little bit of gota work. The flare is beautiful, so you can like twirl around in it, and this is available till the size I think 3XL if I'm not wrong. So the quality is really good. Everything from this brand is really good. I really like them. So this kurta, I was pairing it with a floral printed dupatta. I tried it out with different Banarasi dupattas as well, but I think because it's cotton, it works best with a cotton dupatta or like probably chanderi dupatta. I got a floral dupatta from Loom which looked really pretty with this, and you can like wear it for like smaller Indian occasions, or even for like wedding occasions during the summer, because you would want to wear something very comfortable. Again, if you find this or like any other kurtas from Indian Virasat on sale, do get them, because usually they price around 300 usually priced around 3,000. During the sale they come down to like 1,500, 1,400, sometimes even 1,200. So yeah, definitely grab these. I'll show you guys a couple of other kurtas from this brand, but this brand is really good, you guys. Definitely must try. This one's a very light pale pink, but they have peaches, they have blues, they have a lot of different options. So continuing with this brand, this is a peach kurta which I have in the same brand. I think this is out of stock on Myntra, but it might be available on Amazon or Flipkart. So again, Indian Virasat is a really good brand. Like the quality is amazing. This one is not cotton, it is a mix of something. It sort of gives that really nice chanderi kind of a look. So again, a very nice party wear. So it's plain kurta, but it has slight double shade of peach and pink, and very good flare, very beautiful flare. I paired this with different colors again. I paired it with like a light green, paired it with Banarasi dupattas in the same orange color and peach color. So they make for a really beautiful look. You can accessorize a little bit because the kurta is plain. You can wear like a nice neck piece and earrings, and it will look so pretty. I'll try and link this elsewhere if it's not available on Myntra. In the exact same fabric, blue color kurta is also available. Definitely get your hands on something from this brand because the quality is amazing. And they do have kurta sets also. I haven't tried any, but yeah, the quality is really good. Really, I'm a fan of this brand right now. I will show you guys another kurta from this brand. I got this also a couple of months back, but it is still available. I think it will be perfect for mehendi. So this is sort of like a dress. It doesn't necessarily have to be a kurta. It has really beautiful flared sleeves, and it has a nice gown-like feel. Even here, it has a gold print on it. It's a nice green. I styled it with a same color work belt. These are those, I think some thread work and bead work kind of a belt. You can style it with like a gold belt also. I think it will look really nice. You can wear it as a dress itself. Wear nice shoes and accessorize a little bit, and you can wear it as a dress. Has a very beautiful flare. You can even wear it as a kurta, style it with a beige dupatta or a contrast dupatta also. The quality again is really good. I worn this also a couple of times, washed it a couple of times, so the quality is really good. Definitely must try. Last one from this brand, Virasat. After that we'll move on. So this is an off-white kurta with little bit of gold kind of weaving, and it has a nice flare. This is also cotton, but can be worn with like Banarsi dupattas and it look nice. Has a nice flare, and when you twirl, you'll see this gold behind the dress. Still in different colors on Myntra, like it's available in green, yellow. Basically the quality is good and a very versatile piece. You can style it in so many different ways for so many occasions. Yeah, definitely grab kurtas from this brand. You will definitely love them. The quality is great. This fabric at hands, it doesn't have lining, so it's a little poke in your hands, but otherwise overall a good kurta. I've had it for a couple of years now. A really nice one, very beautiful. I think I'll get it in a green or a yellow also, maybe green. Next up we have another kurta. This one is from the brand Libas. So this is a plain off-white kurta with a little embroidery. A very nice one. This is available in black also. The quality is really good. The fabric is very soft, so you can wear it as a kurta. If you wear it as a dress, you might need a slip for both black and white because it's a little transparent. Overall the quality is really good, and this lace kind of a detailing is really pretty, very nice, gives it a very nice look. It's a machine work kurta, but sort of gives it a chikankari kind of a vibe, very pretty one. And Libas has introduced a curvy brand, so I think Extra Love by Libas. I've linked a lot of them on my Instagram, so do check out my Instagram. So they have beautiful kurtas and kurta sets during the sale. So they're about 1,000 rupees or under, or maximum of 1,500 for the kurta sets, and they have like a kurta set with dupatta and all that. So very beautiful pics. So do check them out. I have ordered a few. I haven't received them yet, but I wanted to give you guys these options before the sale ends. So you'll see that haul also soon, but yeah, do check out this brand. So next up we have this kurta set. So this is a very pretty lavender set. Again, I posted a reel on Instagram wearing this, and a lot of you guys really liked it. So this is a very pretty one. It has really beautiful kurta work. It's very soft fabric and it has long sleeves. Here also it has like really nice these tie up knots and has nice flare. It's that Andhra style. Very pretty color. Very nice sort of lavender, but the pants are a little more lighter. So these are like very light, and this one is like a nice purpley lavender. So the pants were a little tight on me. It has elastic, and these are the sharara pants. I initially thought they were palazzos, but the sharara pants. But yeah, it is a little tight on me. It's still manageable, but not as good as the other teal ones which I showed you guys. But anyway, manageable. So yeah, keep that in mind. And I think this is the last size that I got. I think it might be 3XL. The top is really pretty though, and the fabric is really soft. Very nice party wear, like festive wear. And I have a hand painted dupatta in lavender, so I usually like to pair it with that, or like some white dupatta, or like you can even wear it with like chikankari dupatta or some Kanta work dupatta. I think it would look really nice with like mirror work dupattas and all that also. A very pretty kurta. Next up we have this really pretty one from truebrowns. So truebrowns is a brand which is available on different websites. Myntra has it, Nykaa Fashion has it, and truebrowns website also keeps having sales. So I think I got this during a sale on truebrowns website itself. So I just got the kurta. These ones come in sets as well, but I just got the kurta. It's a pink and an orangish red kind of a combination, and here it has a button, so you can remove this and wear it even as just a shrug or like a coat. You can wear it as a kurta as well. And the set usually comes with like red or pink pants, but I thought you know, pants are something that I already have in these colors, so I just got the kurta. And yeah, very versatile because you can remove this and wear it as a shrug as well. So I styled this with a Banarasi dupatta, but I think it looks really nice when worn as a jacket or just a plain kurta set with good accessories. So I styled this when I was doing a silver jewelry video. So I'll try and include pictures. The quality is really good. I have another dress from truebrowns, so I knew that the quality would be good, but this one was at a really good sale. So I'll try and link it from different websites. So wherever you find a better deal, I think is where you should get it from. But truebrowns has really good collection too. I try and do a video of all the brands that have like plus sizes. So truebrowns has sizes up to I think 8XL or 10XL, and like I said, it's available on Nykaa Fashion and their own website as well. So you'll see different collection on different websites. So that's the thing. And this one comes in a different color combination too. I think it's available in like purple and pink also. So pink and pink also. So do check it out. And the fabric quality is really good. It's sort of like that silk material, little like raw silk actually. I'm not sure if it's actually raw silk, but the quality is really good. A very pretty one, definitely a must try. It sort of has a little flare, mostly like an A-line kurta, not much of a flare. A very pretty one. That is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and I hope I gave you guys some recommendations. All the links will be in the description box, and do check out my other videos as well. I've done some Amazon hauls and Flipkart hauls and so many other street shopping videos as well. So do check them out. And also I wanted to let you guys know that I have launched Kalamkari dupattas on my website. So a lot of you guys were waiting for Kalamkari dupattas. So some Banaras dupattas and Kalamkari dupattas are also live. So you can check them out on priyankaboppanaofficial.com. You can directly purchase from the website. The link will be in the description box. Do check it out, and do follow me on Instagram, and also subscribe to this channel and my Telugu channel for more videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.